Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to use Together Mode and other brand new features in Microsoft Teams. Full 2025 guide. Whether you're running team meetings, online classes, or virtual events, these updates can make your calls feel more natural and engaging. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a single tip that can transform your next meeting. Access Microsoft Teams. First things first, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop app or head to the official Teams website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see your usual chats, Teams, and calendar right where you left them. Start or join a meeting. To kick off a meeting, click the video camera icon on the sidebar or open a scheduled meeting from your calendar. Before joining, you'll land in the pre-meeting window. This is where you can check your camera, select your preferred microphone, and tweak background settings. Take a moment here to make sure your lighting and audio are perfect. Explore the View menu. Once you're inside the meeting, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot the View button. This is your control center for display options. Click it to open a menu that lets you switch between Gallery View, Large Gallery, and other layouts designed to fit different meeting sizes. Turn on Together Mode. Here's the fun part. Inside that View menu, select Together Mode Preview. Instantly, your regular grid of video feeds transforms into a virtual auditorium. Everyone's video tiles are arranged as if you're all sitting in the same room. Think of it like a digital lecture hall or cozy coffee shop, depending on the scene you choose. Why use it? Together Mode reduces the feeling of video call fatigue by presenting everyone in a shared space. It makes conversations feel more natural, eye contact feels easier, and team engagement goes way up. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions, team check-ins, or even casual hangouts. Other new features to try. While you're there, check out other fresh 2025 features. Microsoft has enhanced background effects with crisper images and dynamic animations, improved live captions for clearer real-time subtitles, and added smarter noise suppression so distractions stay muted. These updates run quietly in the background but make a huge difference in meeting quality. And that's it! With Together Mode and these new features, Microsoft Teams meetings can feel less like a grid of faces and more like you're all truly together. Give these tools a try in your next call and see the difference for yourself. If this guide helped you, hit subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you've discovered any other cool Teams tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.